Good morning, students. Today we will study the sporophyte of Cycas. External morphology. Cycas is an evergreen, slow-growing, palm-like small tree with an average height of 1.5 to 3 meter. It is commonly found in xerophytic habitat such as exposed slope of hill and other sunny place where water is scarce. It also grows well under cultivation in garden. The sporophytic plant body is differentiated into root, stem and leaves. First, root. Root, they are of two types in cycas: normal taproot and apogeotropic corolloid root. Normal taproot, long-leaved primary root form taproot. The main taproot is usually thick and short, but its lateral branches are thin and long. These roots are positively geotrophic and their main function is anchorage and absorption of water and mineral nutrient. Second is the corolloid root. They are specialized ageotrophic root which grow on the surface of the soil. They are repeatedly dichotomously branched and appear as a corolline masses. They are more frequent on young plant. A specific algal root with the colonies of Anabina or other blue-green algae is present in the cortex of these roots. The exact function of endophytic algae in corolloid root is not known, but these algae are perhaps helpful in nitrogen fixation. The corolloid root possess lenticels which help in respiration. Second is the stem. The young stem is tuberous and subterranean, and its apex part remain covered with a brown scale leaves. In older plant, the stem become thick, columnar and woody. It is covered with persistent and woody leaf base. The stem is usually unbranched, but sometimes due to injury, shoot apical meristem is divided into two parts and the stem appear dichotomously branched. The leaves are dimorphic, that is, first is the foliage or the assimilatory leaves and second is the scale leaves. Foliage and assimilatory leaves, they are large pinnately compound foliage leaf from which a crown of leaves are developed at the top of the stem. Each leaf has 80 to 100 pairs of leaflets which are arranged on both the sides of rachis in opposite or alternate manner. The leaflets are sessile, elongate and ovate or lanceolate with a flat in Cycas rumphi or revolate in Cycas revolata margin. The apex is acute or spiny. The leaflet has a single midvein. Lateral veins are absent. The rachis of very young leaf is succinate with a succinately coiled leaflet, like those of fern. The young leaves are crowned with antenna with remen, crowned with rementa. Scale leaves. The scale leaves are small, rough, dry, and triangular. They are thickly covered with rementa. They are incapable of carbon dioxide assimilation, and their main function is to protect the apical meristem and other aerial part. The scale leaves also have persistent leaf bases which forms part of the armor of the old stem. The foliage and the scale leaves are arranged in a close alternate whorl at the apex of the stem. Usually a single crown of leaf is formed in a year, but in some species in Cycas rumphi and Cycas circinalis, two crowns are formed in a year. Thank you. Good morning, students. Today we will study about the morphology of cycas. The systematic position of the cycas. Division is it belongs to Cycadophyta. Good morning, students. Today we will study about the morphology of cycas. The first